Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jack, this is Airbrush Ways, and we're on to the second of the crash helmets. Basically this is going to be done ultra quick, so I want to try and get the whole video start to finish done in less than 10 minutes. First step is I've unscrewed all the little screws on this particular helmet and taken off things like this rear spoiler. So here goes, sit back, relax. Hopefully I'm going to try my very best to get it down to about 10 minutes and the whole thing will be in that, or we might do a 5-minute first half, 5-minute second half. Alright, thanks for watching, speak to you soon, bye. Okay, so a quick stop to give you an idea of what we've done. Gone through all the painting of this job, all the graphics are in there now, as you saw a moment ago. Hopefully the clear coat, 2K clear, has been done over this crash helmet, but we still need to put on the Highland logos. So what I've done, I've clear coated it and now going to flatten it all off and sand it down with wet and dry sandpaper, and then once it's all flattened off and we've got a nice finish, matte finish to it, I'll then sort out the Highland logos, put those in over the top of the graphics, airbrush those in, and then clear coat with the 2K lacquer over the top of everything again, and then we'll be finished. So I hope you enjoy what we're doing. Again, we're going to push on and hopefully I'll get all this done in the one video.